In the heart of the Canadian Rocky Mountains, you'll find two of the most famous national parks in the world, Jasper and Banff. These natural wonderlands aren't just home to breathtaking mountains, crystal clear lakes and endless forests. They're also home to a wide variety of amazing animals. Here, elk, deer, wolves and black bears all live together in a unique environment that teaches us about the delicate balance of nature. Located in the province of Alberta, just north of Banff, Jasper National Park is the largest park in the Canadian Rockies. Covering over 4,000 square miles, this place is known for its alpine meadows, thick forests of pine trees and vast glacial valleys. Jasper is a safe haven for some of Canada's most magnificent creatures like elk and deer. Moose, the largest plant-eating animals in North America, are one of Jasper's star attractions. These impressive animals, which can grow up to 6.5 feet tall and weigh over 1,300 pounds, are often found in damp forest areas and along the park's rivers and lakes. Moose mainly eat leaves, bark, twigs and water plants, which makes them a really important part of the ecosystem because they influence how plants grow. They live alone for most of the year, except during mating season in the fall. That's when the males make loud calls and use their huge antlers to fight for females. Even though they're usually peaceful, moose can get aggressive if they feel threatened, especially during mating season or if they're protecting their young. The park is also home to different types of deer, like white-tailed deer and mule deer. Smaller than moose, these animals live in family groups led by adult females, while the males usually stay by themselves, except during mating season. Deer eat grasses, shoots and fruits, and they're most active at dawn and dusk. Deer play an important role in keeping the ecosystem balanced by spreading seeds through their droppings and by being food for predators like wolves and cougars. However, their numbers can go up and down because of changes in the climate and pressure from predators. Banff, Canada's oldest national park, is also in Alberta, just a short distance south of Jasper. With over 2,500 square miles of glaciers, forests and mountains, Banff is a symbol of conservation in the country. It's home to some of the region's most iconic species, like wolves and black bears. The wolves in Banff are very social predators that live in packs of 6 to 12 individuals. Each pack has a pecking order, with an alpha male and female leading the group. Their diet mainly consists of animals like deer, elk and rabbits, although they'll also hunt small rodents and birds if they need to. Wolves are essential to Banff's ecosystem because they help keep the plant-eating animal populations in check, which in turn allows the vegetation to regrow. However, their population faces threats like habitat fragmentation due to human development and conflict with nearby communities. Conservation programs like reintroducing wolves to certain areas and creating wildlife corridors have been key to ensuring their survival in the park. Black bears, another iconic species in Banff, are incredibly adaptable animals that can be found from dense forests to more open areas. Although their diet changes with the seasons, black bears are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and animals, like fruits, berries, roots, insects and small mammals. In the spring, they also eat plant shoots and bark, while in the fall they're busy looking for high-calorie foods to get ready for hibernation. Black bears are usually solitary creatures except when mothers are caring for their cubs. Although they generally avoid contact with humans, they might approach urban areas looking for food, which increases the risk of conflict. Park authorities are constantly working to educate visitors about proper garbage disposal and minimizing human impact in these areas. Both parks face significant challenges in preserving their biodiversity. Habitat fragmentation due to infrastructure development, climate change, which is altering the migration and feeding patterns of animals, and increased tourism are some of the most pressing issues. To address these challenges, several measures have been put in place, such as creating wildlife corridors that allow animals to safely move between fragmented habitats, reforestation programs to restore areas damaged by human activity, strict policies for waste management, reducing the attraction of animals to urban areas. environmental education to raise awareness among visitors about the importance of respecting park rules and not interacting directly with wildlife. Jasper and Banff aren't just havens for elk, deer, wolves and black bears, but also for countless species of plants and animals that depend on these unique ecosystems. Conserving these parks doesn't just ensure the survival of their wildlife, it also ensures that future generations can marvel at the magic of the Canadian Rockies. These parks are a reminder of the importance of our connection to nature and our role in protecting it. Visiting Jasper and Banff is more than just an experience. It's an opportunity to learn, be inspired and take action to protect our planet.